Good afternoon, this is Indira Shah here. Today let me just show you how to make Shira or Kesari Bath for especially for Satyanarayana Puja. Okay, so what you need is you need one measurement of rava. Okay, rava you can just dry fry it. Okay, and then you need 1.5 cups of sugar, 1.5 or 2, anything. Okay, so this is 1, this is almost 2, then 3 cups of milk. Okay, milk you have to take. Then I have taken the big banana, pachbale hannu they say, that I have taken 1.5. Now what you should do is you have to grind this banana and then add around 2 elaichi and then add some milk and grind it to a fine paste. The banana with milk. Okay, now let me put on the stove. Now I'll add this milk. Okay, let it boil. 1 or 2 pieces are there. I'll take it out and grind it again. So in the meantime, let it boil. This is boiled milk, but again I am just boiling it. If 1 or 2 pieces are there, it's okay. Now I'll just again bring it to boil. I've soaked about 5 to 6 badam in hot water. Okay, after this we have to peel the skin and then slice it. Let it boil well. It's boiling. Now I'll add around 3 spoons of ghee. Sajjige they call in Kannada. Shira we say in Gujarati. Usually for Satyanarayana Puja, this is how we make it. Now the milk is boiling. Now let me add the rava. You have to add slowly and keep stirring it, okay? Because otherwise lumps will be formed. Now let me add some more ghee. Now we have to allow this rava to get cooked well in milk. After that we can add the sugar. Otherwise the rava will not be cooked. It doesn't get cooked when you add sugar immediately. After we add the sugar, we can add some more ghee. It's getting cooked well. Now add the sugar. Even after adding the sugar, there are chances of lump formation. So you should be careful. Keep stirring it. I actually fried little, brown. So if you want, you can fry it little. You can remove it little early. If you want the white shira to be done. Now add some more ghee. Here, the sheera has been cooked well. Now I'll just put off the stove. There's sufficient ghee. So I won't be adding raisins and cashew nuts, but I'll be sprinkling the badam here. I had soaked badam. I have removed the skin and I have cut them into thin slices, strips. Now I'll be adding it, okay? Now let me just put off the stove. I'll just put it in a bowl and show it to you. Here, the sheera is ready. This is the way that we prepare for the Satyanarayana Puja. We call it as Sajjige. So this is God Satyanarayana's favorite. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. Please prepare this and give it to your children. This is certainly good for kids, for the growing children. This is certainly good. The rava, the milk, the badam and the banana all together, will taste awesome. So thank you again. Please give me your feedback. I really sincerely am looking for your feedback. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel in the name of Indira Shah. So bye bye. This is Vitvela.